How to fix blurry camera on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can fix blurry camera on Android. So when you're taking a picture and it appears to have some blurry features on your camera, then what you can do is, in order to fix it, first of all you can try zooming it out. If you had already zoomed it, then it might be the reason why you're able to see the blur features. Now if you zoom out by holding your two finger right on the screen, then that might be able to fix the issue. If this is not working out, then you can also try cleaning out the lenses. So you can try cleaning the lenses with the help of a microfiber, or you can also use an alcohol in order to clean the lenses. After you've done that, open up your camera and once again try taking a picture, and that might be able to fix your blurry issue. If that is also not working out, then if you have turned on your HDR, that might also be one of the reasons why you can see blurry pictures. So make sure that you have disabled or turned off HDR, and that might be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, then you can also look for a system software update. So for that, you need to exit out of your camera and then head over to your settings, and once you're on the settings page, that's going to take you to this interface here. Go ahead and look for system, and over here you need to be able to see system update located right at the bottom. You can go ahead and check for an update. If there is any update, make sure to update your device, and updating your device can fix the issue all at once. So this is how you can fix camera on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.